Chinese companies and inventors filed a record high of 19,041 patent applications at the European Patent Office in 2022. This is according to the Patent Index 2022 of the office Tuesday. This marks an increase of 15.1% year-on-year, the highest among the 20 major patent filing countries. The top 5 applicant countries are the United States, Germany, Japan, China, and France, with China and the United States being the main engines of growth in patent filings. In the company ranking, Huawei was still the largest patent applicant at the EPO in 2022, filing some 4,500 patents, up more than 27% year-on-year. An EPO spokesperson said patent filings from China, now accounting for nearly 10% of the total applications at the office, have more than doubled over the past 5 years and are nearly 5 times the level of a decade ago.